Alright, so in this lesson, I'm going to be talking about how you can develop your marketing strategy. Now, I put this in the store creation module because the next two modules are influencer marketing on Instagram and then Facebook ads marketing. And I wanted to talk about how you can plan out your marketing strategy because there's different paths you can take. You could start with influencers, you could start with Facebook ads, and I wanted to help you decide how to structure that. So if you have a smaller ad budget, less than $1,000, I would recommend starting with Instagram influencers to start collecting some data and kickstart your sales. Now, by no means do you have to start with Instagram influencers. If you want to jump into Facebook ads right away, go ahead, and it's going to be the same blueprint and you have the same access to the module. However, I think that starting with Instagram influencers to kickstart your sales and start collecting more data can help a lot. And then once you have more pixel data and more capital to work with, then you can switch over to Facebook ads and it should be a smooth transition. Now, if you do have a larger ad budget, which is, I'd say, over $1,000, then you could even skip straight into the Facebook ads module. So you could skip the Instagram influencers module for now and then start just with Facebook ads. And if you struggle with Facebook ads, then you could give Instagram influencers a shot. You know, the module is always going to be there. You can go back to it. But, you know, you could if you want, you could skip straight to Facebook ads because that's usually what people want to do. They want to jump right into Facebook ads, and Facebook ads is more consistent, so that does make sense. So if you have a larger budget, you could skip straight to the Facebook ads module. Now, what did I do for FlexPosture? I started right away with Facebook ads. And when my Facebook ads were underperforming, what I would do is I would work on creating new content for Facebook ads. And while I was doing that, I would transition to Instagram influencers with the Facebook ads content that I was using. So as my Facebook ads started declining in performance, I would work on making new content. And while that new content was being made, I would use the old content from Facebook ads on Instagram influencers to do to start generating more sales with Instagram influencers when Facebook ads wasn't doing as well. And so basically I was using both strategies simultaneously. And when you do that, you can actually retarget people from Instagram with Facebook ads. And I'm going to talk about that in the Facebook ads module as well. But that's a great strategy. And retargeting Instagram profile visitors, things like that usually works great. Now, how do you create your marketing offer? Creating your marketing offer is important. It's the same marketing offer for both Instagram influencers or Facebook ads. You just need to have a core marketing offer that you're going to be using to promote your product. Now, there's different things you can base your marketing offer on. You could base it on price. Now, this is the standard thing that everyone does, and it's not that great, but it can work well. So, get it while it's still 50% off. Now, if you're selling a product that solves a problem, your main marketing offer should be solving that problem. So basically calling out that problem and offering the solution. That should be your marketing offer. And to show you an example of that in practice, here's a FlexPosture ad that did extremely well. As you can see, 10 million views. And so in the first few seconds of the video, I call out the problem right away. Slouch much with a few emojis, and it shows the posture getting fixed. Now this calls out the problem right away. And in the video caption, I offer the solution. Improve your posture instantly. Now I combine that with the price offer, which is get it while it's still 50% off. So, that makes it sound like it's a limited time, plus it's 50% off plus free worldwide shipping, and get yours here. So that was an example of combining a problem-solving offer plus a price-based offer. And that's what I did for most of the ads for FlexPosture. Now, you could also base some marketing offers off of scarcity. So one example of that is this photo here. This is a photo that I retargeted with a lot, and I was saying our best-selling posture corrective brace is finally back in stock, right? So that makes it seem like, okay, we completely ran out of stock and we have a limited stock. So, and that also gives social proof, right? That means a lot of people are buying it. And so this is kind of like an example of scarcity, and get it while it's still 50% off plus free shipping. And so that's another example of what you can do. And so another thing you could also do is base your offer on novelty. So a new product, if it's a product that's not available anywhere in stores, you can put that in your ads, you can put that in your description, and that can be your marketing offer. Like, you can't get this product anywhere else, so get it from us. And so these are things to keep in mind. You want to have a core marketing offer to base your whole strategy around. And so I'm going to be talking about that a little bit more in the other modules, but I wanted to introduce that in this video so that we can be all on the same page when we move on to the marketing modules. So yeah, that's it for this lesson.